So let's start with tutorial 5.1.2. In this tutorial, we are going to understand the key aspects to consider when defining a generative AI strategy for software testing. So if we talk about the key aspects of the generative AI strategy in software testing, for the successful implementation of Gen AI into testing, as an organization, you must consider several key factors, and the first important thing is defining the measurable test objectives. Briefly, we have already understood this in the start of this unit. Measurable test objectives are very, very important if you want to ensure that the implementation of Gen AI is successful or not. Because if you're not able to measure whether the benefits are there when you have implemented Gen AI or not, how would you know that it's actually beneficial or it's not? So successful integration starts with clear key performance indicators or KPIs. Productivity, is there increase in the volume of test cases created per sprint? Is the coverage more in terms of the test cases? Then efficiency, shortening overall test execution cycle or test designing cycle. Is there more efficiency in the testing team or not? Has the quality improved with the Gen AI being in picture? Were more edge cases being added and suggested by the Gen AI or not? Right. So improving defect detection density and requirement coverage. These are some of the measurable test objectives that you can define initially. Then intelligent LLM selection, choosing the right model, whether you need the large language model. If yes, which one is the best suited? If no, will small language model do all the purpose that you need in your project? So go ahead with the small language model. So that selection of the model is another aspect of implementation. Then infrastructure alignment, ensuring that the AI tools are compatible with your current test management stack and can scale to meet enterprise demand. That's another very important aspect, that will the model that you are choosing, will it align with the existing tools or not? Will it integrate well with the existing tool or not? Okay, so these are some of the key aspects. There are many more things, but these are some of the key aspects that you need to be thinking as an organization when implementing Gen AI into software testing. Then the data quality and team skills, what all you need in terms of data quality and team skills. Gen AI is only as good as the context it is given. So the better data quality, better prompt you will do in Gen AI, the better outcome and accurate outcome you will get. So high quality, accurate and relevant input is the only way to achieve results that can be trusted. Now many people think, okay, using Gen AI is very simple and I'll just go ahead and type in. It's not just a search engine. It's actually your companion. It doesn't matter whether you are in software testing, you are doing test automation, you are doing software development or any other field. It's your companion to make you or enable you to work efficiently, more efficiently and more faster. So the better you will be able to prompt the techniques, the prompting techniques that you will learn, the better you will be at the job that you are doing, because Gen AI will be able to suggest you better outcome if you are doing proper prompting. So all input data must be guarded by the robust security procedures to prevent leakage of proprietary knowledge or proprietary logic as well. So safeguarding your data. Teams must be equipped with the not only the tool but also the technical skills, the ethical skills. So technical skills, prompt engineering is important, wherein you need to understand how you have to prompt. Then the infrastructure management skill will be required by the team. Ethical skills, understanding the biases and responsible AI use is also very important for the team. Then specific metrics must be collected to measure the effectiveness of Gen AI results, again traditional benchmarks. So these are some of the data quality and team skills. Then if we talk about the compliance, ethics and quality gates to maintain the integrity, the strategy must include rigorous governance layer. For example, the process guidelines should be there, establishing clear rules of the road, especially regarding the handling of sensitive data. So when we say process guidelines, so the rules should be really clear when it comes to handling of the sensitive data within the organization. When people or when the team is using the generative AI within organization, are they aware of the clear rules when using the user story in the prompt for generating the test cases or trying to generate the test data? So all of that needs to be really clear. Transparency obligations should be there. Full disclosure of what was AI generated, essentially for audit trails and maintenance. That becomes really important. Then GenAI quality gates, implementing mandatory review cycles for all AI generated testware. So no AI generated script or test cases is pushed to production without a human in the loop review. So GenAI quality gate should be there to ensure that the output of the generative AI is actually reviewed or reviewed by human before it's actually pushed into the production. Regulatory alignment should be there, ensuring all processes meet regional and industry specific ethical and legal standards. So when you are using generative AI, is it actually complying with the regional laws, with regional AI standards and laws or not? So these are some of the compliance ethics and quality gates that should be established when using Gen AI in the organizations. So that's all for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one with another topic on the ISTQB generative AI testing certification. Thank you. See you in the next one.